Hey Mio buddies, so I just came back from the premiere of The Falcon and the Winter Soldier and it was awesome. I'm gonna share with you some of the merchandise that I got from the premiere, but first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to get notified. I hope everyone got the chance to watch the first episode of The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, and now we're gonna unbox the merchandise from the series. So we got this backpack right here. And we're gonna see what are the other items inside this. So we have Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Oh. Yay. Also have a tote bag. And we have awesome hoodie. Whoa. Let's try this one on. That's all for Disney Plus Singapore's The Falcon and the Winter Soldier's exclusive merchandise. Be sure to catch Marvel Studios' original series, The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, streaming on Disney Plus now. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Yeah. So, from Disney Plus Singapore's The Falcon and the Winter So that's all for Disney Plus Singapore's The Falcon and the Winter streaming now. Please stay safe.